Okay, here for example 5, we need to find the focus of a parabola. And you'll notice that we want to change this equation to make it look something like this, where we have x minus h in parentheses squared, we have something in front of parentheses, and we have a y minus k inside parentheses here. Okay, the first thing we're going to do though is get rid of those nasty fractions. We know the denominator is both 2, so if I multiply this whole equation times 2, it'll give me 2y. Actually, let's go ahead and multiply it by -2. That way we can make x squared positive. So x squared plus 2x minus 1. Okay. And you notice since I have x minus h squared here, that means I probably need to complete the square with the x squared. And so I'm going to go C equals 2 divided by 2 quantity squared. The bottom 2 is the formula, the top 2 comes from right here. And so C equals 1 squared, C equals positive 1. Okay, so I'm going to do two things at the same time. I'm going to move this 1 over to here. If it was positive 1, it'd be okay, but since it's negative 1, I'm going to add 1 to both sides. Okay. And I'm also going to add this 1 that I need to complete the square to both sides like this. Add 1 on both sides. So this makes this factor to x plus 1 quantity squared. And over here I get negative 2y plus 2. So you'll notice I have this part done right here. But over here it has y as a 1 coefficient. So I need to factor out this coefficient here. I need to factor out a -2. So it becomes -2 times y, that comes to -1, equals x plus 1 quantity squared. Okay, so now it looks like this. It has x minus h squared, it has a y minus k, and the number in front, the 4p, is equal to -2. So to find the focus, I go 4p equals -2, p equals -2/4, which is -1/2. Okay, so this tells me how far the focus is from the vertex. It's -1/2 units, so it probably means the thing's going to open down, would be my guess. Or actually, it's going to open to the side because it is x squared. Instead of y equals, well no, it's going to open down. But anyway, it's going to open down, so the focus is there. So my vertex, I have to realize, okay, so x minus h, it's going to be -1, 1 for the vertex, or the vertex, because it's a parabola. And my focus, since it opens this way, is going to be h, comma, k plus p. Because the x coordinate is going to be the same, so it's going to be -1, comma, k is 1, plus p, p is -1/2, so it's -1, comma, 1/2. And that is the location of the focus. Just like that. Okay? Once you guys go ahead and try number 69 out of the book. 69 says y squared plus 6y plus 8x plus 25 equals 0. See if you can find that one. Press pause. Come back, see if you're able to do it. Alright, the focus turns out to be at -4, -3. That's the focus. If you're not sure how to get that, first thing I would do is I would get y squared plus 6y by itself on the left, subtract the 8x, subtract the 25. Okay? You need to find some number c, that is b divided by 2 quantity squared, so 3 squared, which is 9. So I'm going to add 9 to both sides of the equation. Come up with y plus 3 quantity squared equals -8x minus 16. Factor out the -8 to get x plus 2, and then y plus 3 quantity squared equals that. So that tells me 4p equals -8, p must be -2. The vertex of this thing has got to be -2 comma -3. Since this is a y-squared parabola, it's going to open up, and then the p is negative, it's going to open this way. So that means to find the focus, it's going to be h plus p comma k. So -2 plus -2 comma -3. -2 plus -2 is -4. And that's how we get -4 comma -3 is the final answer.